Still by number 9. Number 9. Ang ganda ng basa. Nag-ibisa. Is good by Timo. Is good again by number 9. Number 9. Not good. Number 19. Arbao. By number 28. Number 28. Number 28 to number 19. Number 19. Is still by number 7, A.B. Bren. A.B. Bren. A.B. Bren. Tuwele. Tama. Tere. Paz.
Iba tinira.
Everyone is delivering. Ativo. Ativo is delivering. Number 20. 5 for 3. Is not good. Recover by number 28. To number 31. To number 7. Ativo. To number 9.
Parang timang.
Number 10 to number 9. Ang ganda ng patahan is goal by number 21. Number 28 to number 21. Ang laki. But is good by number 21. Score po natin 14. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 10. Number 10 to number 9. 3 seconds by number 31 to number 19. L.A. Taunan. L.A. Taunan. Pass to Lady Fred for 3. Ago this number 9. Number 9 pass by number 8. Number 9. Number 9 for 3 is not good. Rebound by number 8 to number 31 Tevez. Number 31 Hinaras to number 28. Ang laki to number 28. Pinipili tumasok. It's not good. Rebound by number 20 seconds to shoot. Time remaining. But it's not good. Number 8 to number 7. 15 seconds. Time remaining. Number 19. Number 19. Ang but still, 5 seconds, time remaining. Ativo fires is the goal.
Kaya ka na sumakit.
Number 21 pass to number 9. Number 9 is not good. To number 27. Number 27. Number 10. Number 10 to number 9. Nagbitawan ng bola. Number 19. To number 2. Tan. Number 2. Number 21. Ativo. Ativo. Try for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 24. Number 24.
Hindi makatakbo.
Number 19. Tan. To number 2. Tan. Is that good? Rebound by number 27. Ang taas. Number 19. Number 19 pass to number 24. Number 24 to number 24. To number 2. Number 2 Harapan Ativo. To number 4. Is that good? Strong rebound by number 9. Number 9 is dribbling. To number 21. Number 21. 21 to number 9. Alright, let's hear it by number 9. Number 2, Taunan. Taunan number 2. Number 2 is dribbling. Pass for 3. To number 4. Number 4. Number 4, pass is good. By number 4. Score po natin 16 to 21. Favor by Admin. Time remaining 8 minutes. What a good block by number 27 to number 4. Number 4 to number 2.